We might have shown you a model of the cutting-edge Bmw M5 being towed off the Nürburgring, yet one more gutsy covert operative picture taker figured out how to post film of a comparable test vehicle being driven out of frustration on the blessed German racetrack. Albeit the last fifth-age M5 moved off the sequential construction system recently, BMW is now working diligently consummating its sixth-era model. The new M5 analyzer demonstrated here gives off an impression of being comfortable, creating a substantial exhaust note and lots of tire screech as it tears its direction all through corners. Tragically, the video doesn't actually give us any extra knowledge into the new M5. BMW has proactively affirmed the vehicle will utilize a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, which has been supposed to create very nearly 600 drive. Until records spill or BMW authoritatively opens up the vehicle, we're sufficiently cheerful to enjoy our Bimmer desire by watching this short flick. The M5 is controlled by a 4.4-liter twin-super V8 with 600 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of force. M5 contest models get a power knock to 617 horsepower. EPA mileage appraisals are 1520 firsts mpg city/throughway with the standard 8-speed program transmission. We've tried AM5 arriving at 60 miles per hour in as fast as 3.0 seconds. The M5 gets two 12.3-inch shows, one for the instrument group and one more for infotainment. There's something else to the BMW's tech suite besides that. The M5 likewise offers worked en route, a head-up show, a 16-speaker, 464-watt Harman Kardon sound framework, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto similarity. You can likewise overhaul the sound framework to a 16-speaker, 1,400-watt Nux and Wilkins Joule unit. Notwithstanding the 17-horsepower increment, the M5 contest gets updated safeguards, a suspension that is 0.2-inch lower than the standard M5, 20-inch compound wheels, AM game fumes framework, a track mode, and firmer motor mounts. BMW's 4.4-liter twin-super V8 gives more than adequate power, permitting the M5 to advance rapidly as fast as a few two-entryway sports vehicles. The 8-speed programmed